Namaste बच्चों, हमेशा खुश रहो. Myself JV Dr. Monica Trivedi. Today's topic is isolation of terpenoids, and you can see the isolation of terpenoids can be done by the essential oils of the plants, like from the still distillation, solvent extraction, macration, and absorption and purification of the fats. Second is the separation of the terpenoids from the essential oil from a chemical and physical method. So this kind of method is used for the steam distillation process. In this process, you can see here the vaporized water is here, and the condenser present with the hot water and the cold water combination. You can separate the essential oil from the steam distillation process. Okay, then second is extraction, solvent extraction method. In this kind of solvents like this kind of method, solvents like hexane and ethanol is used to isolate the essential oil. It is used for the plants part having low amount of the essential oil, and this plant parts are treated with the solvent which is produce a waxy aromatic compounds. Okay, and these compounds are mixed with the alcohol. Then the oil particles are released, then it passes through the condenser, then it is separated out. This oil is used in a perfume industry as well as from the aromatherapy purpose. So this is the process how the essential oil is separated. Then next is a macration. Macration is a advanced process and which is used for from the plants to extract the essential oil. In this method, the plant material is converted into the powder, and then the plant material is placed in the closed vessels, and the solvent is added. The mixture is allowed to be stand for the 1 week. Then the liquid is strained. The solid residue is recovered by this solvent, and after this it is strained and the liquid are obtained. So you can see in this process the solvent first step, the finely chopped plant material mixed with the solvent. After this it has to be stay for days, and by the solid residue is pressed recovery, any remaining liquids is filtered and by the funnel, and you can strain and express the liquid and the mixture here over in a beaker. So next process. In this process, the fat molecules are warm at the 50 degrees centigrade on a glass plate. Okay, then this fat is converted with a flower petal, and it keeps several days until the saturated with the essential oil. Then the all the petals are replaced by the fresh petals. Okay, then after removing the petal, the fat is treated with the ethanol. When all the oils present in the fat are dissolved in ethanol, the alcoholic distillation is then fractionally distillated under the residue presence of the removal and the solvent. Recently, the fat is replaced by the coconut charcoal due to the greater stability and the higher absorptive capacity. Here you can see the rose petal are used for this kind of. Now the separation of the second is a commercial which is used for chemical method. Okay, so in this kind of method, the oil containing terpenoids, hydrocarbon plus nitrosyl chloride in a chloroform form crystallized by adding the hydrocarbons. Okay. So here you can see the terpenoids in presence of nitrosyl chloride and chloroform. It will give the hydrocarbons. Okay. The terpenoids contain aldehyde and a ketone treated with NaHO3 phenylhydrazine and the semicarbazole. After the separation, it is decomposed to get the terpene. The last one is a physical method. It can be done by the chromatography as well as the fractional distillation. So this is all about the isolation of terpenoids. Thank you very much.